Every morning, the same thing happens. Your legs feel heavy, stiff, like they have given up on you. You stretch, but the ache does not fade. And with each passing day, it is getting harder to ignore. You have tried everything: exercise, stretching, even painkillers, but nothing works. But what if I told you that in just 12 hours, you could feel like yourself again? Stronger, more mobile, and ready to take on the day. No pills, no gimmicks, just one simple food. This is not some pipe dream. It is real science. Tart cherry juice and bone broth are backed by research that shows immediate recovery and long-term strength. For example, research published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports has shown that drinking tart cherry juice leads to 23% less muscle pain and significant increases in quadriceps strength within 12 hours. Studies from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism also support the effectiveness of collagen supplementation in increasing muscle strength and reducing soreness. Are you ready to feel better tomorrow? Today, we are talking about how tart cherry juice and bone broth collagen can help you regain leg strength, mobility, and confidence in just 12 hours. Forget about heavy workouts or relying on medication. This is not about fighting your body. It is about giving it the right tools to rebuild itself. These foods are packed with the right nutrients to restore and rebuild your muscle fibers, improve circulation, and relieve joint pain, everything you need to get your legs back on track. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to use these science-backed foods to restore strength and feel better, starting today. As men age, leg strength does not just stay the same. After the age of 60, leg strength can decrease by as much as 3% annually, meaning every year, your legs become a little less powerful. According to a study published in the Journal of Gerontology, this decline is caused by reduced circulation, muscle breakdown, and nutrient depletion. It is not just age, it is the circulation, the muscle repair, and the nutrient depletion that slow down over time. But here is the truth. This does not have to be your reality. In a study from the British Journal of Nutrition, collagen supplementation has been shown to improve muscle strength and regenerate muscle fibers in older adults, specifically in the legs. By introducing the right foods into your diet, you can reverse muscle decline, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation, all essential for maintaining leg strength. The best part? You can see noticeable improvement in just 12 hours by adding two powerful foods to your daily routine: tart cherry juice and bone broth. Let us start with tart cherry juice. This is not just a trendy health drink. It is a potent recovery tool backed by solid science. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and accelerate muscle recovery. In fact, a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that older adults who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily saw 23% less muscle pain and a significant increase in quadriceps strength. And the best part? These results came within 12 hours of consumption. By increasing blood flow and reducing oxidative stress, tart cherry juice works quickly to soothe sore muscles and help increase mobility. It is perfect for immediate relief, especially for those struggling with stiffness after sitting or standing for too long. Now, let us talk about bone broth, a powerhouse for long-term leg health. Bone broth is packed with collagen, which is essential for muscle repair, joint health, and tendon strength. As we age, our body's collagen production naturally decreases, leading to weakened muscles and stiff joints. But research shows that collagen supplementation, especially through bone broth, can significantly increase muscle strength, reduce inflammation, and improve joint mobility. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism revealed that collagen supplementation led to a 36% increase in muscle strength within a week. Another study found that glycine, an amino acid in collagen, helped increase muscle regeneration by over 40% after physical exertion. The real strength of bone broth lies in its ability to rebuild muscle fibers, support joint health, and reduce inflammation at the cellular level. It helps you recover faster and move with more confidence and strength. Aging does not mean you have to give up strength. It means you need to take control to feed your body the right nutrients. Adding Tart cherry juice for quick relief and bone broth for long-term muscle regeneration is a simple, effective way to rebuild strength. It is not about fighting aging, it is about nourishing your body so it can continue to work for you, not against you. The best part? These are easy to incorporate foods that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. In just 12 hours, you will notice a difference. Your legs will feel lighter, less stiff, and more responsive. And this is not just about feeling better for a day. These small daily choices will help you reclaim your strength, one meal at a time. The truth is, aging does not have to weaken you. With foods like Tart cherry juice and bone broth, you can reclaim your leg strength, vitality, and independence. In just 12 hours, you will feel your legs come back to life stronger, more mobile, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. But do not stop there. Make it a habit. Drink your Tart cherry juice, sip on bone broth, and watch how your legs feel better day by day. Share this with a man who needs to hear this. You're not just getting older, you're getting stronger.